Intensive listening. Topic: What's the number?
What's the number? The number, please. Exercise A. Listen. People are giving information. Number the forms from 1 to 4. 1.
Hi, is Paula there?
Sorry, she's at school. Can I take a message?
Yeah, this is Jim Robbins. Could you ask her to call me at work?
Sure. Does Paula know your number?
I'm not sure, but the number is 824-555-2137.
824-555-2137. Okay, I'll tell her to call you.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
2.
Packages Express. May I help you?
Yes, hi. I sent a package last Thursday, and I'd like to track my order.
No problem. I can check your shipment on the computer for you. Do you have your order number?
Sure. It's 601-4289.
Okay. And the last name on that order?
It's Conley. That's Conley.
And where did you send the package to?
San Francisco.
Mm-hmm. And the postal code there is 94126. Yes, it looks like the package arrived safely yesterday morning.
That's great. Thank you very much for your help.
3.
Hey, Dad. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm trying to order a CD on the internet, but I'm having some trouble.
Here, let me help you. Okay, the link for the order form is right here. Name, TOM. What kind of credit card are you using?
Vista.
Okay, now I need your credit card number.
It's 3486-2212-0396.
Let me double check. It's 3486-2212-0396?
Right.
And what's the expiration date on your card?
Expiration date? Let's see. It's March 17th of this year.
All right, you're all set. Your CD should be here in about a week.
Thanks a lot, honey.
4.
Could you help me out for a minute, please? I want to mail a package, and I need help with the address label.
Sure. Let's see. You're sending this to Me Sun Park?
Yes.
What's her address?
3290 West 145th Street in Los Angeles.
3219 West 145th?
No, 3290. 3290.
Okay, I've got it. Do you know the postal code?
Postal code?
That's right. What's the postal code?
Let me see. Oh, here it is. 90025.
90025. Okay, we'll get it out today.
Thanks.
Listening task 2. Exercise A. Listen. People are playing a TV game show about the world's biggest natural wonders. Check the correct answers. 1.
Welcome to How Much Do You Know? Today's topic is natural wonders. Let's say hello to our 3 players, Lily from Ohio, Nate from Michigan, and Chris from Texas.
Hello,
Molly.
Okay, players, ready? here's the first question. Question number 1. What is the world's tallest mountain? Is it Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa or Mount Everest in Nepal? Yes, Lily.
I think it's Mount Kilimanjaro.
Oh, I'm afraid not, Lily. Chris.
Well, if it's not Mount Kilimanjaro, it must be Mount Everest in Nepal.
Yeah. Good job, Chris. The tallest mountain in the world is Mount Everest. Are you ready to hear how high it is? It's 8,850 meters high. Everest is the tallest mountain in the world at 8,850 meters.
Two.
Okay, here's question number 2. What is the world's longest river? Is it the Amazon or the Nile? Nate.
I think it's the Amazon. It crosses most of South America, so it must be the longest.
Nate, I'm sorry. The Amazon is the second longest river. The Amazon is 6,400 kilometers long. The longest river, the Nile in Egypt, is a little longer than that. The Nile flows for 6,695 kilometers from Central Africa to the Mediterranean Sea. So the Nile is the longest at 6,695 kilometers.
Three.
Okay, contestants. Question number 3. What is the world's biggest lake? Is it the Caspian Sea, which is actually a lake, or Lake Superior in the U.S. and Canada? Chris.
I'll have to guess Lake Superior.
Well, Chris, I'm sorry. The Caspian Sea is larger than Lake Superior at approximately 438,000 square kilometers. That's 438,000 square kilometers, 5 times the size of Lake Superior.
Four.
Okay, here's the 4th and final question. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? Is it Niagara Falls in the U.S. and Canada or Angel Falls in Venezuela? Yes, go ahead, Lily.
Well, I want to say Niagara Falls because it's so famous, but I think it's Angel Falls.
That is correct! It's Angel Falls in Venezuela with a height of 979 meters. Niagara Falls is one of the most beautiful waterfalls, but it's not quite as tall as Angel Falls. Lily is today's winner with 1 correct answer. Thanks to all of the contestants, and we'll see you next time.